So far, I'm with Tushi Stylist. So we want to turn this hair into a bob because I already have a long one, so we want to make it a bob. Yes. So he's cutting it. She's telling me not to move, guys, so I don't even know how to talk.
It's so special, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things.
Do you see this, guys? Tushi, you don't miss.
You're mine for sure.
Guys, so this is how it turned out. It looks amazing. I don't know if you guys can see. I mean, it looks so good. So now I have this bob and this long one. I'm becoming a wig girly. So yeah. So if asked by big man kicks, guys, which one would you choose? The high top or the low cut? Which one would you guys pick? Hey, low cut, classic. This is what I want to wear to the airport, guys. What do you think?
Hey, what's up? Welcome, homie. I'm here with just more feet, and we are rolling big. Just living life. Peace out.
No, I usually say,
What do you say?
stay charged, stay grateful.
Hi, guys. It's been great to have you here. Stay charged and stay tuned.
No,
A peace.
stay charged, stay grateful. Yalla, repeat.
Stay charged, stay grateful. So I do it again. Okay. Hi, guys. It's been a pleasure having you. Stay charged, stay grateful. Peace out.
Yes.
Nice one.
So guys, I'm out here shopping. I'm doing like this because Kiki was talking like this. But I'm out here shopping. The t-shirt is from Influential Style, so I'm going to tag him. I'm in my baggy era. It looks good, right? Stay charged, stay grateful.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.
So guys, I'm going for my 4th braces appointment, obviously at Arrow Dental. You guys have seen the progress my braces have made, so let me show you. Hello, I came for So guys, as you wait, you can actually have coffee. They have a whole coffee bar. Let me show you. So I'll just have coffee because if I have biscuits, it's gonna stick on my braces and I don't want that. So you can get coffee, and you guys can see how good it looks. Yeah, so let's get coffee as we wait for a doctor. Yes, thank you. I didn't even have to wait for long, guys. Hello. Asante.
Fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.